Hello, guys. Jai Shri Krishna. Good evening and happy World Photography Day and happy Gurwar. Today, I am here with the topic self doubt is the only barrier. At the beginning of this topic, I want to say a quote that too much of anything is bad. You must have heard it so many times in Hindi. Now, listen my views on this topic. I don't think self-doubt is little bit good because self-doubt pushes us to work hard. Self-doubt makes us to sit for to do work or for the work. And self-doubt makes us disciplined also. Now, why I am saying this, I tell you with an example of my brother only. His name is Nikleshwar Gugnani. What happened with him? He took commerce subject in 11th and 12th. And later he decided that he want to take economics honors as subject. So I think for economic subject, math subject is compulsory. So he gave a single paper of 12th class of math subject, and trust me, he worked very hard because he was very nervous that how he would do, what he could do, and how the things will manage, because he was very weak in maths and he was very naughty also and very weak in maths, but later he decided that he wants to take economics subject, economics honors. So he decided, and he, trust me, he burned the midnight oils, he burned the midnight lamps, he worked so much hard, and later he passed maths subject, single math subject in 12th. And he, so what makes him to sit? His self doubt only made him to sit. So in my view, self doubt is good. It happens with me also, that I have also so much self doubt before starting a work or before going for doing a work. I have also so much doubts that that how can I do it? What if what if I'm not able to do it? And what happened? How can I do this work? So, and this self doubt makes me to sit, makes me to work hard, trust me. So in my views, self doubt is not much bad. Little self doubt is good, but as I said a quote that too much of anything is bad at the starting. So after completing work, after you have done your work, at the time of consequences, you need not be self doubt, because that self doubt made you low, made you feel low in yourself. So so I want to end this topic with a quote only. Before work done, little we can take little self-doubt. It is helpful for our betterment. Thank you.